and welcome back to another video. You are watching Phone Zone Talk today with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about a variant which is Samsung Galaxy Win GT out here. Yes, talking about Samsung Galaxy Win out here, GT i8558 out there. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers a different functionalities out there and was quite a different version as compared to Samsung Trend out there, especially the Trend one which were quite a compact, handy version out there. And when we talk about this variant and when we compare it with this variation out there, we can say that Samsung Galaxy's Win GT out there was also a touchscreen variant out here with a weight of 400 and 143 grams. So overall, the weight was quite good. 143 grams was not a very heavy weighted version out there. But offering a 2000 mAh battery plays a very important role with these kind of versions which have very compact and handy structure. As well as you get to have a removable battery. Yes, so this is a very important point out there in Galaxy series that usually you don't get removable batteries, but earlier we used to have a removable battery in Galaxy variants. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a 4.7 inch screen size. Yes, you're going to have 4.7 inch screen size. Along with that, you also get to have a very amazing feature within it. That is nothing else but the resolution capacity. Resolution of this variant was 199 ppi density, so you get to have a good resolution. Apart from that, when we talk about this variant, we can say that internally it has got 8 GB RAM along with 1 GB storage capacity. So this was seen out in this variant when you have 8 GB RAM and 1 GB storage capacity. As well as expandability could be seen. You can expand your variation, you can expand your gadget out there so that it does not looks like that you are having a shortage of storage, so that you can expand it easily up to 32 GB or 64 GB as you like. Now talking about the core processor in this, it has got 1.2 gigahertz quad core processor which works very well with Android 4.1 out there. Yes, it works very well with Android 4.1 out there. And talking about the camera out there, when we talk about the camera quality, we can say that this variant offers you a camera of 5 megapixel rear camera and zero point 0.3 megapixel selfie camera. So both the variants could be seen. You can have a selfie camera and a rear camera as well. Talking about the connectivities, it has got Bluetooth connectivity, it has got Wi-Fi connectivity, it has got GPS connectivity. You will not find any of the NFC infrared or USB OGT connectivity. These kind of connectivities could not be seen out here. Whereas when we talk about this variant, it is a dual SIM phone out here offering you a different variation where you get to have up to 3G connectivity. Yes, 3G connectivity is possible out here. Talking about this variant, we can say it has got compass, it has got accelerometer sensors, but it did not go well with the audience when it does not have a temperature barometer or gyro sensors out there. So we can say that this variant offers you a good range of connectivities and sensitivities back then when it was released out. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant has got some amazing pricing also. So let us see about the pricing also. This is the website I'm talking about, and the website name is phonezone.ae. This website helps you to check your favorite gadgets within your pocketable rates. This search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget out there so that you do not miss out your favorite gadgets. So the result is out, and as we look at the results of this variant, we get to see that it has got a specification box, a description box which offers all the specifications which we were discussing, and a condition on the top which is refurbished. So let us talk about refurbished condition so that we come to know about the products. Talking about refurbished products, or we can say refurbished brand or like brand new. If we talk about these two terms, then refurbished and brand new word, they both are quite same. Brand new itself means something which is first time launched or we are seeing for the very first time, whereas refurbished means something which is brand new like something which is brand new like. So these are the two terms out there which we come to know. As well as when we talk about refurbished and brand new, we can say that brand new term uh, resembles to the gadgets, to the thing, or to anything which is absolutely newly launched, which is for the very first time, and we have not seen it in the entire series. But refurbished is like that is a pre-owned thing which is now recreated again, so that it can be reused. Yes, this is what actually refurbished and brand new means. If we talk about the structure, if we talk about the functionality of these variants, they are absolutely same. Yes, if you get to see the functionality, they have the same functionality. Whereas if you get to see the structurality, if you see the design, if you see the eyes, screen, if anything, any gadget, then they are also same. So overall, we can say that brand new and refurbished products are very same. Once a refurbished product could be called a brand new, but a brand new product can never be refurbished. You could say that because once a gadget is always brand new. Yes, once a gadget will always be brand new, but any brand new gadget can never be refurbished. Now let us talk about the passage or how is it related, because we said that they are quite similar. So we can see that brand new's extension is refurbished. How? We have usually the three bases out here. We have the three pathways followed by any gadget. One is the base. Base is something from where we get that gadget originated from there. Then comes the mediator, is the place where the base and the consumer meets, and the consumer are we, the users. Now in brand new, what happens is brand new has the base, which is the company. Yes, brand new's base is the company out here, because company is the one which for the very first time launches any gadget out here. Yes, this is the company which launches any gadget. Whereas mediator is the marketplace. Always the mediator will be marketplace for the gadgets, because this is the place where it's a bridge actually where the company and the users meet. Now talking about the consumers are the users who uses that gadget for the very first time. This is actually the brand new out there. This is a brand new pathway. Now when we talk about brand new pathway, it terminates at the user. Yes, it terminates at the user. Now talking about the user, this user becomes the base of refurbished product, because the product has been pre-owned out here, so you get to have a refurbished brand now. If it is pre-owned, then it is said that it is once used out, so you can definitely once again use it. How? It is resold to another user. Yes, it is resold to another user. Now this is brought up in the market agencies which buy or which collects the pre-owned gadgets. Yes, pre-owned gadgets are used out here, are collected here. After that, you get to have testing of that gadget. Everything has to be tested, and then it is again resold to the users, and the users becomes a new user out here. Yes, now the user is a different user, another user is this. So this is what happens in a refurbished pathway. So you will find the structurality same, functionality same. Why we say so? Because there are 29 parameters to test these designs, these functions out there. Yes, you get to have 29 parameters, which include the external and internal parameters like display. Externally, we can see all the factors like display buttons out there, camera, video, audio quality out there, even the battery life, charger. These things could be seen out. So this is what brand new happens to be. Now talking about brand new products, we can say that brand new products offers you these things, and the same external factors offers you is offered in the refurbished category. Now, apart from these, refurbished also sees that the screen has scratches or not, the color is correct or not, is there any displacement in the buttons. These things also have to be seen, and the buttons are working properly or not. So these things also are checked out in these parameters. Then comes the internal parameters. Internal parameters includes nothing else but the internal functional parts like the connectivity, SIM recognition, OTG cable out there, your data wiping, data recovery, data colorizations out there, your LCD colorization, your touch screen. Even your internal platforms like operating system, your processor, process maker, GPU out there. If it has sensors, then all kind of sensors has to be tested. Even the hotspot, Bluetooth connectivity, all the things has to be checked. Like 3.5 jack has to be checked out. So all the specifications which we read, which we study about any gadget once it is being launched, they all have to be checked out. Once it is checked, then these are certified as a refurbished gadget. If it is not passing in any of the parameter, if it fails in any one parameter, then it has to be renewed. It has to be corrected. Yes, if it fails in like display, then the display has to be changed out so that it can be resold, and the display is brought by the company out there. So it gives you a quality check, a good quality product, so that it offers you a good service. So this is overall the parameters which defines how the refurbished gadget looks like. Now talking about refurbished gadget, we can say there are few benefits associated with it. Now let us talk about the benefits of this product. And talking about the benefits of this product, we can say number one is the pocketable rates. Talking about pocketable rates, we can say that pocketable rates are very important part of any gadget, because we know that most of the gadgets are quite expensive for us. If we want to buy, then we need to check our pockets whether they fit into our pocket or not. So this is one thing which happens, and refurbished products are usually quite pocketable. Now, talking about this pocketable rate, does it offer savings? Yes, it offers you savings also, because you get to have a savings where you, because brand new products are actually quite expensive, whereas refurbished are pocketable, so you can save a good amount. Yes, you definitely save a good amount out there. As well as when we talk about these products, we can say that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty, whereas you get to have 6 months warranty period in the refurbished gadgets. Yes, refurbished gadget offers you 6 months warranty period. Apart from that, you also get to have 7 days exchange policy. 7 day exchange policy is given so that you do not miss out your favorite gadgets, and if you have any default in the gadget, then that could be rectified and exchanged out there. So these are the few benefits associated with refurbished products, which you might not find in the brand new products. So these can be set a very good production and a very good condition out there. We can say a good condition which helps us to know about our gadget. So let us quickly go back to the site and check whether it offers you the same conditions or not. So as we were talking about the site, that is Phone Zone, which means Phone Zone means a place where you get a collection of gadgets out here, and here you get to see a category all mobile phones. This offers you n number of gadgets from these reputed brands, as well as you get to search your favorite gadgets out here. As we were discussing about the refurbished products, we got to see that there's a 6 months warranty and 7 day exchange policy, and this website offers you 6 months warranty and 7 day exchange policy also. Apart from that, there is COD and free shipping. Yes, COD and free shipping can also be seen out here, so you can check out the website. Shipping की बात करें, if we talk about shipping, then it takes around 48 hours for most parts of UAE, whereas it might take up to a week for Saudi. For best pricing, yes, for best pricing, you can visit out the website out here, which is phonezone.ae, or you can check out the description box. It has all the details. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.